Good morning, students. Standard 5. Today we will study your chapter 16 and the name is lines, angles and circles. Okay. So, before going to discuss lines, angles, circles, we will study some fundamental things. Okay. And these are point, line segment, ray and straight line. Okay. So first we will study what is point. What is a point? Okay. Student, point is a fundamental property in geometry. Okay. So all geometrical objects are made up of points. Simple. You can just put a sharp point. Okay. Here on the plane, and this is called point. Okay. So all fundamental things, let it be line segments, ray and straight lines, and all things are made up of combinations of points. Okay. So it is the most fundamental property. Okay. Next we will study line segment. See, I have drawn a figure like this. The figure is AB. Okay. So this is called line segment. Line segment. Okay. It is also made up of points, and all points lie on straight paths, and it has two endpoints. These are okay. A and B are two endpoints. This is called line segment. And in symbol you can write it is, first you write AB, put a bar here on AB. It is represented like this. Okay. Next come to ray. Okay, this is line segment. Next, this is another figure. Got it? So this is type of ray. Okay, an arrow you can say, and it can be extended in this direction. Okay, extended. So this point is fixed. You can write A, B, and you can name it A, B, and put an arrow mark here on AB. So it is the what? Ray. So this is finite point, and this is extended here in this direction towards B. Got it? Next come to what is straight line. Straight line. Okay. And these are the two opposite rays. You can write like this. Okay. And in symbol it is written as AB. You have to put both arrow headed mark here on AB. It is called straight line. Straight line. Okay. So these are the some fundamental things, and which are made up of most fundamental property, that is called point. Okay. Let us discuss about angles and their classifications. How angles are formed. Suppose we take two rays. Okay. We have drawn two rays. This is, one is OA and other is OB. Okay. And this point is known as common point. Okay. This is what? Common point. both the rays have common point. It is in geometry it is known as what? Vertex. Vertex. So when two rays, okay, have one common point, then it makes an angle. This is an angle. Okay, and it is written as by symbol like this. This is the symbol of an angle, and it is represented by you have to write angle AOB. First you write the symbol AO, okay, B. So next, see students, and this can be measured. This is measurable, this part of the angle, okay, and it is measured in degree. What? Degree. And it is written as what? Like this, by the symbol like. So with the help of one geometrical instrument which is called what? Protractor, you can measure the angle, and it may be, suppose it is what? 45 degrees. Okay. So in the next class, today I want to conclude the class. In the next class we will study what are the different types of angle and what are the different types of straight lines, means which are parallel, which are intersecting, and which are coincident, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.